नमस्कारः सर्वेषाम्। अहं सत्यश्रीनिवासः संस्कृतकक्षाध्यापकः अस्मि। अद्य नवमकक्षायाः पञ्चमः पाठः सूक्तिमौक्तिकम् इति पाठे विद्यमान एकं श्लोकं पठामः। सूक्तिमौक्तिकम्। सूक्ति नाम सु प्लस उक्तिः सूक्तिः। सूक्तिः इति पदस्य अर्थः अस्ति सु नाम गुड, उक्तिः वचनं, सूक्तिः मधुरं वचनं, सुंदरं वचनं, मौक्तिकं नाम मुत्यं, we are calling in English pearls. सूक्ति मौक्तिकम, which type of Maukti pearl means Sukti good, Ukti such type of Mauktikam pearls. Sukti Mauktikam iti पाठे अद्य वयं नूतनः पाठे परिचयं प्राप्स्यामः। संस्कृत साहित्य में नीति ग्रंथों की समृद्ध परंपरा है। इनमें सारगर्भित और सरल रूप में नैतिक शिक्षाएं दी गई है, जिनका उपयोग करके मनुष्य अपने जीवन को सफल और समृद्ध बन सकता है। ऐसे ही मनोहारी और बहुमूल्य सुभाषित यहाँ संकलित है, जिनमें सदाचारण की महत्ता, प्रियवाचकता, परोपकारी पुरुष का स्वभाव, गुणार्जन की प्रेरणा, मित्रता का स्वरूप और उत्तम पुरुष के संपर्क से होने वाली शोभा की प्रशंसा और सत्संगति की महिमा आदि विषयों का प्रतिपादन किया गया है। संस्कृत साहित्ये नीतिग्रन्थानां बहु परंपरा अस्ति। परंपरा नाम अस्माकं 7th क्लास, 6th क्लास, 7th क्लास, 8th क्लास, 9th क्लास, like that in every class this subhashitani are suvachanani, suktimoktikam, like that with different names. By using of different names, the moral slokas the NCERT is giving. Not only NCERT, in every language subhashitani is compulsory and mandatory, because from subhashitas only we are learning good culture. That's why in this lesson also सरल रूप में नैतिक शिक्षाएं दी गई है। सरल रूपेण नैतिक शिक्षा, नीतिपरक शिक्षा, moral values. To develop moral values on us, this slokas as given. These are useful in our life and study also. So let we go for the sloka. In that one of the sloka, यत्रापि कुत्रापि गता भवेयुर हंसा महीमंडल मंडनाय हानिस्तु तेषां हि सरोवराणां येषां मरालैः सह विप्रयोगः। यत्रापि कुत्रापि गता भवेयुः हंसा महीमंडल मंडनाय हानिस्तु तेषां हि सरोवराणां येषां मरालैः सह विप्रयोगः। एतत् श्लोकं भामिनी विलासः इति पुस्तकात् स्वीकृतः, इति ग्रन्थात् स्वीकृतः। यत्रापि कुत्रापि गता भवेयुः, तत्र पश्यन्तु द डिफरेंस बिट्वीन भवेयुर्हंसा, भवेयुः हंसा। यत्रापि कुत्रापि गता भवेयुः हंसा, if we break then bhaveyuhu we have to read. Without breaking we want to read means yatrapi kutrapi gata bhaveyur hamsa mahi mandala mandanaya. Like that we have to read. Hanistu tesham hi sarovaranam esham maralaihi saha viprayogah. Yatrapi kutrapi gata bhaveyuhu. नाम तो श्लोके भवेयुः, कः भवेयुः, किं भवेयुः, पश्यामः। अन्वयं पश्यामः। पश्यन्तु अन्वयः। महीमण्डलमण्डनाय यत्रापि कुत्र अपि हंसाः गताः भवेयुः हि तेषां सरोवराणां तु हानिः येषां मरालैः सह विप्रयोगः भवेयुः किं भवेयुः हंसाः गताः भवेयुः हंसाः कुत्र गताः भवेयुः यत्रापि कुत्रापि हंसाः गताः भवेयुः यत्रापि कुत्रापि हंसाः कथं भवेयुः गच्छेयुः महीमण्डलमण्डनाय यत्रापि कुत्रापि हंसाः गताः भवेयुः हि तेषां सरोवराणां तु मरालैः सह विप्रयोगः अर्थः पश्यामः हंसाः कथं भवन्ति श्वेतवर्णाः पश्यन्तु चित्रे श्वेतवर्णाः बहुरम्याः सुन्दराः भवन्ति हंसाः तादृशाः हंसाः पश्यन्तु तादृशः हंसः यत्रापि कुत्रापि गन्तुं शक्यते हंसा मीन्स swans can move anywhere yatrapi kutrapi anywhere kutrapi wherever they want there the swans can move freely that to where महीमण्डलमण्डनम मही नाम पृथ्वी महीमण्डलमण्डनाय पृथ्वीमण्डल अलङ्करणाय महीमण्डलं नाम पृथ्वी we are using earth पृथ्वीमण्डलं नाम full earth this earth anywhere and earth means full of world anywhere the hamsa can move that is freely alankaranaya that to alankaranaya to give the shine to the place the hamsa can move means hamsa will go any place then what will happen that place will be shine the place will be more beautiful see that only close in this picture without swan it is some only beautiful because of surrounding nature when it is in that middle hamsa also there means it will be more beautiful like that hamsa yatrapi kutrapi gata bhavehu because to give mandanaya to give the beautiness of the place like that hi tesham sarovaranam if hamsa did not go that place then what will happen hamsa did not lose anything hamsa not one place not going means it will go another place but who will last here means sarovaraha means rivers lakes these all we are coming it is coming sarovaraha to hanihi येषां मरालैः सह विप्रयोगः मरालः नाम हंसैः हंसाः मरालः नाम हंसः हंसा शब्द like Rama शब्द मरालः मरालौ मरालाः मरालौ मरालान् मरालेन मरालाभ्यां मरालैः by the swans did not go means who will lose means the sarovaraha only will lose hamsa did not lose anything like that viprayogah means viraham viyogam kasya bhavati sarovaranam eva bhavati viyogah na tu hamsanam nama here what is the meaning means hamsa that is very beautiful and precious thing when it will be in that place the place only will appear more beautiful when the hamsa is not going in that place people or that place won't be people won't like and the place won't be looks not that much like example in our surroundings the lakes what are the lakes of in Pulicat lake and Koller lake in that place what are they happening why the visitors are going means tourists to see the different kind of birds. If the birds only not there, who will go? Means by the bird the place is more beautiful. Without the it won't be beautiful. Like that here also same. Hamsa won't go that place. The last will come to the Sarovaraha only. If anything in this world who are valuable, who are precious, they can move anywhere. So in our surrounding also who are precious or knowledgeable persons are there, we should protect, we should maintain the good communication. If you maintain that good communication, if you maintain with them good, then it is useful to us. We will gain knowledge, we will be more shine. That's why without them we will be shine little only. With them, if good people there, with good people if we are be, then we also will be appear more good. Understand? Like that here Hamsa also comparing like that only with more knowledgeable persons, more valuable persons, like that. Understand? That's why saying here you can see the meaning. पृथ्वी को सुशोभित करने के लिए हंस जहाँ भी कही जाए, ही उन सरोवरों की तो हानि है जिनका हंसों से अलग होना है. Hamsa swans are not going to the place, who will the sarovar only. That's why with that only this earth is looking, appearing very beautiful. Understand? अत्र भवेयुः भूधातुः विधिलिङ्ग् लकारः इति क्रियापदमस्ति. महीमण्डल पृथ्वीमण्डल अलङ्करणाय मरालैः हंसैः विप्रयोगः वियोगः यत्रापि, यत्र प्लस् अपि दीर्घसन्धि अपि इति अव्ययपदं. कुत्रापि, कुत्र प्लस् अपि, कुत्रापि, अत्रापि दीर्घसन्धि, एवम् अव्ययपदम्. एवं वयं भावार्थम् अद्य अवगतवन्तः. धन्यवादाः. स्थापयामि.